Welcome back. Today we are going to go over 8 things to know before you arrive in Dubai. Number 1. You should visit between October and April. Dubai only has 2 seasons, hot and hotter. However, the months between October and April are known as their winter season. So you can expect blue skies and perfect beach weather to the city. Number 2. Look at flights 6 months ahead. International airlines generally release their cheapest seats about 6 months prior to departure dates. This doesn't mean you need to buy your ticket 6 months ahead. However, you should definitely start looking and reviewing. Number 3. Book your hotel months in advance. Since Dubai is becoming such a popular vacation spot, you want to make sure you have a nice place. In another video, we will go over the best hotels in the area. But for now, make your Dubai hotel reservation a good 2 to 3 months in advance. Number 4. Show respect during Ramadan. If you end up visiting during the holy month of Ramadan, respect the Muslims and their practice of fasting. This means you can't eat, drink or smoke in public in front of them between sunrise and sunset. Number 5. Dress modestly. Think conservative over revealing and flashy, as you pack for your vacation. Dress modestly to avoid unwanted attention and to respect the Muslim culture. Number 6. Should you tip? Tipping isn't really expected in Dubai, however, it's a common practice. Most establishments will add a tip to your bill. Taxi drivers don't expect tips, but luggage carriers and supermarket baggers are normally given a small tip for their services. Number 7. Be careful where you consume alcohol. Though alcohol is legal in Dubai, you can't drink in public as public drunkenness and drinking and driving are prohibited. You also can't buy alcohol for your own use without a permit. You have to buy it from an establishment that has a license. So getting drinks at a bar or restaurant is no issue. Just don't try and leave drunk. And number 8. Stay away from PDA. Public displays of affection are very offensive in the UAE. It's crazy to know that visitors have been arrested and imprisoned from showing PDA. To be on the safe side, refrain from holding hands or kissing while in public. Though Dubai has strict laws, you shouldn't let it stop you from visiting. Dubai is a very beautiful, unique destination, and should be experienced by yourself, with your significant other or with your entire family. I hope you enjoyed our video. Please remember to like and subscribe.
And until next time, goodbye.